Oh, this still does not feel real. I'll tell you that right now. But we're here. We are here. Just gotta get the tunes on real quick. It's time to. Can you just imagine? Oh, not real life right now. Not real life at all. But that's okay, because that's okay. Woo! So right now, going to this really cool creek area by my house. It's fucking amazing. I go there like every morning to try to, I don't know, meditate for like 5 minutes before I start my day. Today's kind of going a little bit behind schedule, about 20 minutes or so. But so much to do, so much to talk about. Just, it's funny because depending on when I upload this might be out of order because the background is, it's just so much. Like I've had this car now, which if you haven't already discerned it, it's c63 2014. But I test drove a similar car probably 6 weeks ago now, and I quite literally have not been able to stop thinking about it. Like, I test drove the car, and then it's just been constant thought. Like, every day I wake up, I'm like, wow, I need to go get that car. Wow, I need to go get that car. And you know, unfortunately, the one that I was looking at, the one that I drove that I really fell in love with, had like red inserts, carbon, P30 package, all the little workings in and outs. That one had like 87,000 miles or something like that, which it didn't drive like it had 87,000 miles on it, I'll tell you what. But you know, if you're gonna get into these high horsepower used German cars, you probably don't want to have something that's, you know, that used when you get it, at least. So that's why I ended up getting this one. 60,000 miles on it, just a little. Well, actually, when I got it, it was a little under 60,000. I crossed over the 60,000 mile barrier. It's got all these little goodies we'll talk about on the outside, some exhaust work already done to it. So basically, it's everything that I think I would have done already done to this car, and that's why I got this specifically. But I keep rambling. That's not important. We'll get to the spot and take it from there. Cut through the campus here because it'll give more like shifts and down, up and whatever, just because, I mean, a lot more stop and go. Just a local college by my place here that I went to. I guess what they call it, the alma mater. Really beautiful campus. I need to figure out the mount situation, just because like I'm using a chest mount for but I'm trying to mount it like higher because I don't really want to feel like driving around with a fucking thing on my head. So feel kind of bad because I'm driving through a residential right now, but you know, it's 8:30. If you're not up for work by now or up going to the gym, you got to get up off your ass and do something, right? Hopefully I can be that little alarm clock for them. So, because that's, I mean, that's exactly what the fuck's going on here. But we're almost at the spot. Actually, it's just down the street here. We've arrived at the spot. It's this little creek overpass or whatever. It's really nothing crazy. It's just like come out here in the morning before work, before the gym. Little birds tweeting, making noise. Just come grab a bench and then take my 5, and then after my 5 I'm done. Just go back to whatever the hell I need to go do for the rest of the day. Get stuff done. So today I'm not going to do that just because I'm kind of on a rush for time, just because I had to run some errands before this, but